Triumph just dropped a bombshell for 2027, and if you're a fan of high-end, factory-custom modern classics, you're going to want to hear this. Welcome back to Kallamotto. Today, we are diving deep into the absolute pinnacle of Triumph's modern classic lineup. The ultra-exclusive 2027 Speed Twin 1200 TFC. TFC stands for Triumph Factory Custom, and this isn't just a badge, it's a statement. The Speed Twin 1200 is only the fifth motorcycle to ever receive the TFC treatment, and Triumph is only building 750 of these worldwide. Visually, it is stunning. It's finished in an exclusive Obsidian Gold paint, a metallic black base packed with gold metal flakes. Add in the gloss-lacquered carbon fiber mudguards, side panels, and heel guards, and the detailing is just on another level. TFC isn't just a styling exercise. The chassis has been seriously upgraded over the base and RS models. The ergonomics are far more aggressive, swapping out standard bars for low clip-ons mounted to a billet aluminum top yoke. To back up that sporty stance, Triumph equipped it with fully adjustable 43mm Öhlins inverted forks and matching Öhlins piggyback rear shocks. Stopping power is handled by top-tier Brembo Stylema radial calipers, and they threw in a set of black titanium Akrapovič silencers right from the factory, paired with blacked-out components and a gold chain that ties the whole aesthetic together. Underneath all that carbon and gold sits the heart of the beast, Triumph's legendary 1,200 cubic centimeters parallel twin. For 2027, the engine pushes out 103.5 horsepower at 7,750 revolutions per minute, and it delivers a massive 83 foot-pounds of torque down low at just 4,250 revolutions per minute. You're getting a high-compression setup with a lighter crankshaft that revs faster, all managed by a bidirectional quick-shifter, lean-sensitive traction control, and 3 riding modes. So, what does the ultimate speed twin cost? The TFC starts at $21,995, and it comes with its own branded indoor cover and a signed certificate of authenticity. With only 180 units making it to the US market, they are going to sell out fast. Would you take the TFC over the standard Speed Twin RS, or is the price tag too steep? Let me know in the comments below. As always, hit that like button, subscribe to Kallamotto for more motorcycle news and reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.